Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show you some case studies of people who are doing this and actually making money off of YouTube right now. So here's a channel called Jason A, and he's not making any of these videos. He's essentially just putting together like short compilations of videos that he's finding. And as you can see, they're kind of conspiracy type videos, and these do really well, by the way, guys. Conspiracy type videos are a really good niche on YouTube. So as you can see, this guy's only posting like 3 videos a week. But when you're first getting started, you're going to want to post a lot of videos, and as you can see, the thumbnails, they just really make you want to click the videos. So you might be asking, how much is this guy actually making off of his YouTube channel? So as you can see, we have an extension called Social Blade. You'll definitely want to download this extension so you guys can see how much people are making on YouTube. I'll put a link on the course where you can download this Social Blade extension. But as you guys can see, this channel is making anywhere from $1,000 to $16,000 per month. So in my experience, it's about right in the middle of those figures. So I would estimate he's making at least $10,000 per month with this particular channel. You'll probably want to download this Social Blade extension so you can actually see like how much people are making on YouTube. It shows like their estimated earnings, how many subscribers they get per day and everything. Super helpful extension. So now let's take a look at another one of these channels that are doing kind of these types of videos. So this channel is called Top 5's Finest, and as you can see, they upload a ton of videos, and it's really paying off for them. As you can see, they upload like 6 videos per day, and this is exactly what you want to do. And as you can see, they built their channel up to 3 million subscribers very fast. They've gotten about 900 million views, so they've made maybe $1.5 million off of this channel easy. And as you can see, he's making anywhere from $6,000 to $100,000 per month, guys. So again, in my experience, that'll come out to around $50,000 to $60,000 per month, actually, what he's actually earning. And he is investing some of this back into the channel. So as you can see, they're like top 5 videos. So I guarantee one guy's not sitting down and making 6 videos per day. He's outsourcing it to other people who make these videos. So once you guys get to a point where you're making a lot of money with YouTube, you can outsource the creation of your videos. You can go on Upwork, you can go on Fiverr, and get people to edit the videos, get people to do voiceovers for the videos and everything. So this guy is taking other people's videos and re-uploading them, but he's not necessarily uploading Creative Commons videos. And you guys might be asking, how does he do this? So this channel is actually utilizing a legal doctrine known as fair use. Now, fair use essentially states that you can use other people's copyrighted videos as long as you change the video, like let's say you're making a compilation and it's different and it doesn't affect like the market of the original clip and everything. And as you can see, YouTube's got a page talking about fair use. I'll leave a link to that too. But fair use states that you can use other people's copyrighted videos. So let's say you guys find a video and it's not Creative Commons and you guys want to use it. You can use it. You just do a quick voiceover on top of it, give your own spin on it, say like your opinion on the video, make it different from the original video, you know? Maybe add a couple more clips in there like that Top 5's Finest channel's doing. And then you can use other people's copyrighted videos, which is super cool. So going over to our next channel here is a channel called Top Supreme. And as you can see, they make like 4 or 5 minute videos just talking about kind of shocking things. As you can see right here, they cannot hide this from us any longer. Really great clickbait in the thumbnails. It just really makes you want to click and watch these videos. And they're doing a really good job. They're killing it on YouTube. As you can see, they're making $2,000 to $40,000 per month. So again, in my estimates, that'd be around $25,000 per month. And an extra $25,000 per month would be a lot for anybody. So they're obviously making a lot of money with this YouTube channel. And these are like 4 or 5 minute videos, and a lot of these aren't Creative Commons either. So it's usually just a guy like doing a voiceover over the video. So if you guys can do a voiceover, and you don't even have to yourself either, you can hire someone off Fiverr to do the voiceover for you if you don't want to. But if you're just starting out, like, you can use your phone to do a quick voiceover. It doesn't have to be good quality at all. You can 100% use your phone, do a quick voiceover on your video. Just use the built-in mic on your laptop or computer or something if you don't have any budget starting out. But these are definitely videos you can make as well. Just trying to give you guys ideas here. Now, going over to the next channel, here's a channel called Chills. As you can see, they get like 500,000 views on every video, and occasionally you'll have a video that goes viral, so you get more views. And as you can see, their Social Blade stats absolutely killing it, making at least $50,000 per month from this YouTube channel. And this is just one guy, by the way, making these videos. So you can be a one-person team, and he's like narrating the videos and everything. So these are just some examples for you guys to kind of get you guys excited and see what's possible with YouTube and how much these channels are making. So I just wanted to give you guys some quick inspiration there as to what's actually possible with YouTube. And like, don't think that like, oh, this guy started way back in the past, it's not possible anymore to make money with YouTube. I can tell you guys 100% that it is 100% possible to make money with YouTube, and with a new channel too. Because I started the channel literally 3 months ago, and it's already making over $5,000 per month. This is possible, guys, and I bet you guys have seen a lot of these channels too and didn't even know that they're doing it. So guys, those were some case studies. Throughout this course, I'm going to give you guys some actionable steps so you can actually implement the techniques that I showed.